welcome to Oak Living and welcome to Africa as well, here in South Africa. In today's video, we came to the biggest free-flying aviary in the whole world here in Plettenberg Bay, or Plet as the locals call it. It's a beautiful experience. It's a massive place. It's more than 2,000 hectares. It's really breathtaking, and we are taking you in this adventure today, so keep tuned. As soon as we arrived, we could see a huge net to keep the birds inside. As we walked in, we could hear a lot of birds singing, and the pathway that leads to the entrance is beautiful and surrounded by trees. It was only after walking in that we could have an idea of how grand this place was. It looked like a lost world with jungle greenery. The net that I mentioned earlier is hard to notice in some areas because of the many tall trees covering the sky. The long walkways made it easy to get by, and you don't even need a guide. It felt like a real adventure. This bridge here is not so bad because the sides are quite protected and it's not so high up, but the floor... It's like a safari, but without animals that could eat you up. We saw many colorful birds that we could never imagine seeing before. They were almost like living artwork. We only have 1 hour here. The reason for that is that we arrived here too late. So we promised the lady we would be at the exit door by 5. Oh, wow. Look how the neck moves. Look. Wow.
It's gonna come say hi.
None of the birds seemed to bother with our presence. Neither did this small species of antelopes that they call duiker. They were quite relaxed with us around. Right here, there is a home with a few budgies around. There are 2 budgies outside and 1 inside. There are 3 colors. You can see a yellow one inside, a blue one, and a white one outside. I would really love to see a secretary. More of you.
No. Isn't she such a cutie?
Well, there was a beautiful bird here. I don't know what it was, but I thought it was a secretary, but it's not. Right there.
Beautiful.
This is the one I was talking about. It does look like a secretary.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Oh, there is a yellow one. Are they the same type?
Yeah.
There's a pond here with ducks. Steven, quick!
Where?
This is almost as tall as me.
Hey? Oh, wow. Wow.
Okay guys, this is a real flamingo. why the flamingos are pink is because of the food they eat. They eat little crabby type things and they go from white to pink. So here they put some kind of pigmentation in their feed so that they can keep on being pink. Oh, look at that big thing. What is that?
Oh, that's is it an emu? Or...
You can see the net here once again.
Oh wow.
There are more parakeets here on
Yeah,
the
wow,
street.
pretty.
Bye birds, we gotta go, otherwise we'll be locked in. We don't have time.
Hello. Okay. Where could it be?
Okay, I'm scared of being locked in.
Okay.
Wow.
I think it is the amazing. Come. I think this is the exit. The restaurant.
Oh, this is huge.
Which way? Or maybe not. Okay, let's go. Oh wow, we have... How far?
I don't know.
What's the time?
It's 4 minutes
Okay,
past.
There it is. There we go.
Oh, here, look.
Where is it? Oh wow.
It spoke to me, so that's why I heard it.
Okay. Say goodbye to Birds of Eden for now.
Bye birds, it was wonderful being with you. Almost
Early
on
enough,
time.
early enough. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Have
you
a
so
good day.
much. Bye.
Bye.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give us your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you're new here, and share the video with other people that may enjoy this. Leave us your comments on the comment section below. We like interacting with you, and we hope to see you in the next one. God bless, and until next week. Bye.